A step-by-step guide on how to cancel iCloud storage plans for iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Click Settings, iCloud Storage and Backup. Manage storage on your iPhone or iPad devices. Step 2. Choose Change Storage Plan. Then you can select the free storage plan option and then tap on the Buy feature. Step 3. Enter your default Apple ID and secret password when prompted to successfully cancel your active storage plan. Guide on how to cancel storage plan on Mac. Step 1. Click on Apple menu and go to System Preferences, then choose iCloud. Step 2. Click on the Manage option that is located on your monitor's lower right corner. Step 3. Select Change Storage Plan. Proceed to click on Downgrade Options and then enter your default Apple ID and secret password to continue. Step 4. Click the Manage option provided and then select the free iCloud storage plan and confirm. How to permanently close or even erase iCloud account. Erasing iCloud on iOS devices without password. Step 1. In Settings, tap iCloud, delete password, enter random number, tap Done. Step 2. Tap OK, then Cancel on Mismatch Alert. Back to iCloud main page. Step 3. Tap iCloud account, remove description, confirm. Step 4. Wait, no password needed. Find my iPhone off. Step 5. Scroll, choose Delete account, confirm deletion. Step 6. Choose to keep or delete iOS device data. Erasing iCloud on Mac. Step 1. Select the System Preferences option that is located on your Mac PC's Apple menu. Step 2. Click iCloud. Unselect app checkboxes. Step 3. Sign out. Visit iCloud.com. Step 4. Log in. Choose iCloud account.